I'm going to cover the use of Kokopelli. Kokopelli is teaching prompt engineering, which is how to improve a prompt that goes into AI. So I'm going to outline just two important parts of these overall instructions. So the six components that constitute a good prompt. So any prompt should have these six components. And then I believe that using this learning loop helps students first learn how to do better prompting, but it also becomes a useful tool after you learn how to do prompting because it still helps a practitioner. So I'm going to show you Kokopelli now. You can go to Kokopelli here. There's also this YouTube video, the one that's playing. So if you come into here, I'm just going to show you very quickly in case you don't have the application link and the instructions link. But I'm going to focus on the mechanics of using Kokopelli. So I put in here the six components. I'm going to just show you how to do a quick improvement of the prompt. So what I'm putting in here is just giving the instructions that are directly to the AI. So you could just put in, it's also AI instructions. So I'm going to click run here. And what that's going to do is it's at the bottom, it's going to give me a response. But the first time you run it, it takes a little bit of time. So I'm just going to go ahead and wait. To take a step back also, the user email right here, you put in your email. Why? Because if you want to return to your training, let's say you get through 3 exercises of the 5 and you want to leave and come back, your email will allow you to do that. So this ran. These are the instructions. Pay close attention to this as part of the learning exercise. If I come down here, I've told it, for instance, it's going to give all of these different bullet points that can help me take this advice, bring it back here, and improve the prompt. So what I could do is say, the task, help me write an email. So I can go ahead and run this. This is the task. It may tell, it's probably going to now latch onto that and say, okay, you need to give me more information on this task. So you come through here and take a look at that. If it doesn't give you advice on that task, this is the key thing. How can you improve ChatGPT's response? You can say, focus on the task section. So go ahead and run this. Come down here. Identify your audience. Brainstorm template. So this gives you the ability to do exactly, coming back here, the most important aspect is going through this learning loop. Because why did the AI respond that way? As I went through and showed you this iterative approach, you have to ask yourself, why did the AI respond that way? So you make a change and whatnot. What did you learn? You should always think about what you learned and improve and repeat. And here's the reason why. I'll leave you with this right here. Please draft the email. So if I run this, what it should do is the AI instructions, it's telling to draft the email. So if you come down here, it does this down here. It still wants to give you advice, but it does give you that email. It's going to be a very bad email because obviously you haven't gone through and answered any of these. So that's what you do on the left-hand side. You want to have the 6 components and you run through and have AI give you advice on how to improve it until you say, okay, do the task now as opposed to give me advice. Now, I'll tell you what happens on the right hand side. You're going to go through 5 exercises, and it's going to tell you what to do here. When you want to start an exercise, you click here. When you want to submit the exercise, you can click here. And now you see not passed yet, revise and submit again for this exercise because I didn't do really anything. So it says, go ahead and make the changes. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to start the exercise, submit. And then what is being submitted? The prompt right here. And then it keeps track of you with an email.